Welcome. You have stumbled upon the definitive source on the internet for how to smoke a chicken in an electric smoker so that it is crispy and tasty and juicy all at the same time. G'day, I'm Seamus. I'm here with my neighbour Pete, who owns a fabulous smoker. As you can see, it is rather smoky. Now, in our last episode, we created our peri-peri rub and mixed it together and then rubbed it all over our chickens. Then we wrapped them up and shoved them in the fridge overnight. Today we're going to take our birds on a hot date to Peter's fancy pants Fornetto electric smoker. And we will reveal Peter's top secret for making sure that your smoked chicken is crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Alright. G'day, it's just me and the missus here hanging out. Look, unfortunately, when we recorded this video, didn't have a fluffy thing here to put over the mic, and consequently the wind made that noise. That's why I'm jumping in here and there with a bit of overdub magic. Anyway, with any luck it'll be funny, but no guarantees. So it's tomorrow, and now we're going to put the chickens in the smoker. You can see the chickens are here, right next to my friend Peter, who is also here. This is his veranda. Those are our chickens.
Welcome to my veranda.
This is his smoker. Oh, wait a second. There appears to be some pork in there. That's got nothing to do with this video. While Peter puts these chickens into the smoker, please enjoy this bastardized version of a cheerleading chant from Buffy the Vampire Slayer, of course. How funky is your chicken? How funky is your chicken? How loose is your moose?
How loose is your moose?
It's amazing! Anyway, that is enough tomfoolery. Let's get down to business. So, we want to set the smoker at 120 degrees Celsius, and we want to cook those chickens until the internal temperature is 79 degrees Celsius, which, for those without a meat thermometer, it takes about 4 to 5 hours.
I'm gonna stick a thermometer into this chook. Try not to hit any bone. More or less try to get that thermometer
in the middle of that meaty bit.
We're not going to turn the chickens around, and very shortly I will reveal Peter's top secret for making these chooks juicy and crispy at the same time. Actually, what the heck? Let's just reveal the top secret now.
About an hour in, and look at that bird. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to give that bird a bit of a spray in an attempt to make that skin a little bit crispier.
There's the top secret to making sure that your smoked chicken is crispy on the outside. Hey, if you're loving this video as much as I loved making it, then go ahead and subscribe. Oh, there's a resounding call to action. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, so what's the deal? What's going on? We've got to the point where the chicken is ready.
The chicken is ready.
Chicken is ready. Oh yeah, baby. Damn chits. We should get something to put it in. Alright.
Alright, done.
So these chickens are done. And that's how you do it. Drop it. Come on, drop it. He didn't drop it. Woo. One chicken. Two chicken. We'll deal with them later. Okay, it is time to serve up some of this delicious smoked chicken. All right, that's probably a bit close and crazy. Let's take a step back. Let me just maybe stand still. Yes, stand still and allow me to speak. Righto. What are you doing? What is it they say about working with dead animals and children? I'm not an expert chicken cutter, but that skin looks nice and crispy and delicious. And oh, I really don't know what I'm doing. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. It's still juicy. It's not dry, that's for sure. Got a bit of colour still, that's fine, but look at the juice there. The chicken was surprisingly pink in the flesh, but we found it to be delicious and juicy and nobody died. So I reckon as long as you stick to the cook time and the temperature, you'll be right, mate. But it has been a pretty epic couple of days, but now we have this delicious chicken. And clearly I'm drunk. Anyway, it was delicious. Stick around for the next video where I show you how to cook something else very, very yummy.
Go ahead and subscribe.